Nah, we're bumping this one.
I was right. I was like, we're happy. No, I won't. You run this. Wait, you're long. I'm drunk. I mean, like, when me and him came over to your place. I don't blame you. This day you spent this fight. No, the speaker's getting wet as fuck!
Yeah.
Yeah, Sego went to try and unlock the door.
Huh? I took it. Turn it off. Alright.
Yeah, the wind's blowing south.
Woo! I got a lot of cords right here.
Hey, let's push this that way a little bit.
Oh, wait, no, we can't.
I say.
The wind's blowing that way, so
The wire is right here. There's a wire right here.
Thank you.
No.